Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scale Up. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can mute or remove music from your TikTok video. It's super easy to do. Let's get started. Open up your TikTok app and then logged into your account. There you want to add your video music or remove your video music. So you can see over here at the bottom you will see plus icon. Click on that and then you will comes in the camera section or as well, and you will see over here library as well. You have to simply click on your library and then choose the video there you want to remove the audio from it. So as you can see, I want to remove the video from this, and as you can see, click on next and then select it. And as you can see, bunch of options over here at the left side. You will see, you can simply see a down head menu or like arrow you can see over here. You have to simply click on that, and then you will see a bunch of options over here. Scroll up and you will see the second last option called volume. Click on that, and then you will see if your video has the volume, you will see the original audio over here, or if you have added any music to this video, you can see the second one. If the audio is available in your video, so you have to simply adjust the video to the 0 level or low level to remove it. So you can see by now my video has no audio, so you can see there is no audio. And you can as well adjust your video if you have audio with your video. So you can simply drag it to the left and then click on done, and it's gonna be removed, and click on next, and then it's gonna be uploaded over here. So as you can see, you can simply add a caption or description over here. You can simply setting up over here or like that, and that's it. That's how you can remove music from the TikTok video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like my video, subscribe my channel Scale Up, and also drop me a comment for more tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.